Today we're highlighting our Oklahoma proven selection plants for 2023. Today we're here with our Perennial, which is Turk's cap, Malvaviscus arboreus variety Drummondii. And this is a native plant. It is hardy to Oklahoma. It's further south, it actually can behave more like a shrub, but here it's going to typically die back to the ground. It is extremely drought tolerant, so once it gets established, there's pretty much nothing you have to do to it. It is pretty much pest free, and it has these beautiful colored flowers late in the season. So late summer and fall, it has these beautiful red flowers. And they are hibiscus-like flowers, and the petals are overlapping and never really fully open. But they resemble that of a loose Turkish turban, thus the common name Turk's cap. These are very attractive to pollinators, so hummingbirds love them, butterflies, moths, and many other insects. Now this also comes in other flower colors. There's a cultivar called Alba, which has white flowers. There's a pink flowering type, and there's also some that have variegated foliage. Now this plant will grow in full sun, but it actually prefers shadier conditions. It is, again, not very picky about its soil conditions. It's very tolerant of a wide variety of soils. It just really needs well-drained soils.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.